Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete history on Netflix. Unfortunately, there is no direct way to delete your entire viewing history on Netflix. However, you can remove individual titles from the continue watching list. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. First of all, open up a web browser and then make sure to log into netflix.com by using the URL box. You can also open up your Netflix application on your device and log in. After you are signed into your Netflix homepage, go ahead and scroll down until you see the Continue Watching list. You can also open up the Continue Watching list by clicking on Explore All. All of the movies or TV shows that you've watched will be displayed on the screen. If you want to delete the history from this section, you can simply go ahead and mouse over to a content and click on this little cross icon, which will then bring you this pop-up where you need to select any one option and the content will now be removed from the list. So that is the only way you can delete your history or your watching list on Netflix. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.